Hi friends, this is the 25th episode in my series Name This Bird. I hope you have seen all the 24 episodes. In my last episode I showed you a tiny bird. Do you recognize it? Well, that is a sunbird. Now there are 12 species of sunbirds in India and this one is called Purple Rumped Sunbird. It is called Nerale Bennina Surakki or Khagaratna in Kannada. And sunbirds love to drink nectar of flowers. So you can see them hovering over flowers just like hummingbirds. They also eat small insects. They have downward curving bills. And males and females are of different size and color. The one I showed you was a male sunbird. Today I have another bird for you. See if you can guess its name. If you know its name, write it in the comment box. Otherwise, wait for my next video. Now that you have seen the bird, did you recognize it? If you know its name, write it in the comment box. I'll tell you its name in my next video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends and press the like button. Thank you.